Do you ever wonder why some people seem to get richer with each passing year, while others can't seem to make any financial progress? What's their secret? If you've been focusing on saving money, but not seeing a noticeable increase in your net worth, it might be time to change your approach. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 financial decisions that can rapidly increase your net worth. These decisions aren't about just saving money. They're about making smart moves that grow your wealth and reduce your liabilities. Let's get into it and uncover the game-changing choices that can set you on the path to financial freedom. 1. Prioritize high-interest debt elimination. Is high-interest debt weighing you down? The first and most impactful decision you can make to boost your net worth is to aggressively tackle high-interest debt. Credit card debt, with its sky-high interest rates often over 20%, is one of the biggest wealth killers. Every dollar you pay toward it frees up more cash to grow your wealth. Why does paying off high-interest debt matter so much? Simple: net worth is calculated as assets minus liabilities. So, when you eliminate debt, you automatically increase your net worth. It might seem tempting to invest first, but paying off debt with an interest rate higher than your expected investment return is often a better financial move. Eliminating high-interest debt gives you the opportunity to redirect the money you were using to pay interest into savings, investments, or even paying down other debts. This creates positive momentum that helps you continue to build wealth, and before you know it, you're on track to achieving your long-term financial goals. By doing this, you're not just reducing debt, you're also boosting your credit score, which can save you even more money in the future. The key is to create a debt repayment strategy. Whether it's using the debt Avalanche, highest interest rate first, or the debt Snowball, smallest balance first method, clearing out high-interest debt is a crucial step toward increasing your financial freedom. With each debt cleared, you gain more control over your finances and can move toward investing with more confidence. 2. Maximize employer-sponsored retirement matches. Are you leaving free money on the table? If your employer offers a 401k match or pension contribution, you're missing out if you're not taking full advantage. Contributing enough to get the full match is essentially a 100% return on your investment, and there's no easier way to boost your net worth than with free money. How does it work? Let's say your employer offers to match 50% of your contributions, up to a certain amount. If you contribute $1,000, they'll add $500 to your retirement account. That's instant growth with no extra effort required. This kind of return is unmatched, and it builds your long-term wealth. Contributing enough to get the full match isn't just an opportunity, it's essentially guaranteed profit. The match is a no-brainer, and it acts as a cushion for your retirement fund. In fact, failing to contribute enough to get the match is like walking away from a raise, or worse, leaving free money on the table. In addition, the compounding effect of your contributions, alongside your employer's match, creates exponential growth over time. The earlier you start contributing, the larger your retirement savings will be. Maximizing this benefit will provide you with a strong financial foundation for the future, making it a habit you don't want to overlook. Additionally, when you participate in employer-sponsored retirement plans, you're also setting yourself up for tax advantages. Contributions to plans like 401ks are often tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on them now, and your savings can grow without the burden of taxes until retirement. This gives your investments an even greater chance to grow and compound over time. 3. Invest early in low-cost index funds. What if you could get rich without constantly thinking about your investments? The key here is starting early. Index funds, which track broad market indexes like the S&P 500, are perfect for anyone looking to build wealth steadily. The real magic comes from compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more your money works for you. Even if you can only invest small amounts at first, investing regularly in low-cost index funds can lead to exponential growth over time. Small, consistent investments today can lead to huge rewards decades from now. Many people put off investing because they think they need large sums to get started. But the truth is, small, consistent investments early on can lead to huge rewards years down the road. Investing in index funds is a smart choice for anyone looking to grow their wealth with low fees and minimal effort. By automating your contributions to these funds, you can build a solid portfolio with little ongoing management. Index funds offer an easy and cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio. By tracking the market's performance rather than individual stocks, you benefit from the long-term upward trajectory of the market. This strategy eliminates the need for constant decision-making, while still allowing your wealth to grow over time. Diversification helps spread your risk, and you're investing in the overall success of the market instead of relying on individual stock picks. In addition, the earlier you start investing in index funds, the larger your gains will be. A small contribution made at the start of your career can grow into a substantial nest egg for retirement, thanks to the power of time and compound interest. Choose appreciating assets over depreciating ones. Are you still sinking money into things that lose value? If you want to increase your net worth, start focusing on appreciating assets, things that grow in value over time. This could be real estate, stocks, or even education, investments that have the potential to increase your wealth, rather than depreciating assets like luxury cars, gadgets, and other items that lose value as soon as you buy them. For example, instead of constantly upgrading your car every few years, consider buying a sensible, reliable vehicle that can last for a decade or more. This prevents thousands of dollars from being lost to depreciation. Similarly, investing in real estate or stocks gives you a chance to build wealth, as both tend to appreciate over time. By focusing on appreciating assets, you're building a portfolio that grows your net worth rather than diminishes it. It's not just about spending less, it's about spending smarter on assets that provide a return. This shift in your mindset allows you to make more wealth-building decisions that will have a lasting impact. Additionally, education is an appreciating asset that can boost your long-term earnings. Whether it's a certification or a degree, investing in your knowledge can increase your income potential and make you more competitive in the job market. It also gives you the tools you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth effectively. 5. Invest in your earning power. Are you stuck in a job that doesn't pay well or offer growth opportunities? One of the most powerful ways to increase your net worth is to invest in yourself. Whether it's learning new skills or pursuing a career path that offers higher income potential, investing in your earning power often has the highest return on investment. This could mean taking a course in high-demand fields like data science, AI, or digital marketing, skills that can significantly increase your income. It could also mean networking and seeking mentorship to open doors for higher-paying opportunities. By investing in your education and personal development, you increase your ability to earn more over time, which directly boosts your net worth. Improving your earning power means you're not only building your income, but also your career prospects. The more you invest in your skills and knowledge, the higher your potential to land high-paying jobs or start your own profitable business. This decision doesn't just improve your income, it sets you on a path to long-term financial growth. Once you increase your income, you can save and invest larger amounts, which accelerates the growth of your net worth. The impact of increasing your earning potential far outweighs cutting back on expenses alone. By continually improving your skills, you'll ensure that your income grows alongside your wealth-building efforts. And that's it, the top 5 financial decisions that can increase your net worth. These decisions don't require a massive income to get started, but they do require intentional action and smart choices. If you focus on eliminating debt, maximizing employer benefits, investing early, choosing appreciating assets, and investing in yourself, you'll start seeing significant growth in your net worth. Like this video, if you found these financial decisions helpful, share them with someone who wants to build wealth. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips on how to take control of your financial future. Let's make smart financial decisions and build wealth together.